All right, so you've put together something that you think looks kind of cool. Maybe you're going to use it in a game. Maybe you're going to 3D print it, whatever the case might be. Problem is that even with comparatively simple things like this, which is basically just cubes and spheres, you can get things that you didn't predict in the geometry. So let's just go in here and inside, and I'm going to tab into edit mode. And okay, we've got these faces. Now, when I select this face and come out here, you can see that, oh, well, this is actually outside of the object, and it's jutting into the inside of itself. All right, so there's a lot of different ways to do that, and it's always situational, but one thing that I often like to do is to be able to just merge the vertices. So I'm going to switch to vertex mode. I'm going to grab this vertex. I'm going to grab this vertex. And then, okay, I've kind of lost myself on the outside, so I'm going to switch to transparency. And, oh, there's the nearest vertex right there. So I will grab that as well. I can pop back out of transparency mode, and I can push M. Now, this all depends on what you did and what order you did things in. Sometimes when I'm merging vertices, I'm just looking to split the difference and join things in the middle. Other times, it's different. Sometimes it's the first vertex that I selected. In this case, I want everything shifted to the outside of the form that we're working with. And that was the last one I selected, so I'm going to select at last. And that being the case, that particular problem is handled. Now, I've got to deal with that all the way around. The entire interior is set up that way. But if I go around the interior doing that, within a matter of minutes, I can have this issue resolved. All right. Thank you, and I hope that that is of some help to someone.